Hello, what's up guys? How are you doing? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one GLE 500 Mercedes. This car have a problem. You can see here. Pre-safe impulse side inoperative. That's the problem. And today I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay. See, this is the fault pre-safe. So and fault code is B1B3713. The switch for pre-safe pulse side driver seat has a malfunction. There is an open circuit. Okay, so go rear side, remove this seat cover. You can see here a driver seat cover. You can see I remove already driver seat cover, and here see this one for pre-safe driver side. I remove this one because this is accident car, and that's why we have to bypass this system. Okay, because we did not replace. So what we can do, there is a 1.8 resistance in this wire for pre-safe airbag. So we fix this 1.8 resistance here. You can see fix like this, and then on ignition we close shift store now. Before this is current fault, and we reset. See, no fault code detected, and fault also gone. See, now there is no fault. Great success. So if your car have same problem, you can do like this. Okay, or you can replace if you need to replace this preset system. Okay, thank you.